In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Calendar not letting me add events. Let's get started with the first step. Open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser you like. If you're using Google Chrome, look for the Google Apps icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the window. Click on it and select Calendar from the drop-down menu. If you are using another browser, simply type Google Calendar into the search bar and press Enter. You will see the Google Calendar page load. This is important because accessing Google Calendar is the first step to resolving the issue. Once you are on the calendar page, you will be ready to move forward with troubleshooting. Sometimes the event you are trying to create is actually being added successfully, but it may not be visible to you. This happens when the calendar layer is hidden from your view. To check this, look at the left sidebar panel under My Calendars. Make sure to check the box next to your primary calendar, which is usually labeled with your name. This ensures that your primary calendar is visible. This little step is crucial because if the calendar is hidden, you might think the event was not added when in fact it was. Now let's troubleshoot further. Open a new incognito or private window in your browser. You can usually find this option in the browser menu. Once you have the private window open, attempt to add an event to your calendar again. If it works in that window, you may need to clear your browser's cookies and cache. This action removes any stored data that might be causing issues. It's reassuring to know that simple browser settings can often fix larger problems. If you are still facing issues, it's time to check your mobile device settings. Start by going to the Settings app on your mobile device. This is typically represented by a gear icon. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for the section where your accounts are managed. This step is essential because sometimes the problem lies in the settings of the app itself rather than the browser. Next, click on the section labeled Passwords and Accounts. This will take you to a screen where you can manage all your accounts linked to your device. Here, you can ensure that everything related to your Google account is in order. It's a good practice to review these settings occasionally, as they can affect how your applications interact with each other. Now, tap on your Google account. This will take you to the account-specific settings. Once there, you will see various options related to account management. This step matters because it allows you to focus on the settings that are directly related to your calendar events. After that, click on the option labeled Account Sync. This will show you all the elements that are syncing with your Google account. It's critical to check these settings since if sync is disabled for the calendar, it can block updates to the app. You want to ensure that everything is working seamlessly together. Finally, toggle the calendar option on if it is not already enabled. This ensures that events you create on Google Calendar are synced across all your devices. This last step is vital because it keeps your calendar updated and prevents future issues. By following these steps, you should now be able to add events in Google Calendar without any problems. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you resolve your issue.